Hey guys, it's Lance at Mac Sound Solutions, and today, rather last night, I did a little test with my iPhone 7, which I just got last week, of a band in New York City at Webster Hall in the studio, which is downstairs underneath the main Webster Hall venue. And I got down there, and lo and behold, Metallica was the headline band upstairs. I had no idea, and there were police all over the place. There was tons of people. I'm like, this can't be for the show I'm going to, and it wasn't. It was for Metallica. Anyway, I went downstairs to the small venue, and I mainly went in to see this band, One-Eyed Doll, and they just blew me away. It's the first time I've ever seen them. I had seen a couple of their videos online. I bought their new album and I listened to that top to bottom, and I'm in love with it. It's awesome, and I highly recommend you guys go check them out. They're kind of metal, they're kind of weird, you know, just really good. And her live performance, she's like a performance artist. She just comes out there and gives it her all, and she's there's nothing held back there. It's just full-on assault and no inhibitions whatsoever. Just kick-ass rock. Their set was amazing. I was totally blown away. Anyway, so I did a little 4K test with my iPhone, and I really wanted to see how the microphone would stand up on that kind of scenario where you're right in front of the PA system. It's really loud, and I was wondering, is the phone going to be completely crunchy and distorted, or is it going to take some pretty good audio? And I have to say, and you'll get to check it out because I'm going to post the whole song, the audio held up amazingly well. Not bad for a phone in that kind of volume situation. So obviously there's a built-in limiter, so the audio is not going into total digital distortion land. I'm going to check out the waveform from the video. I did not tweak the audio whatsoever. This is straight off the phone. The picture is straight up from what the phone recorded. So check it out. Check out One-Eyed Doll. Great freaking band. I am in love with them now, and going to go back and listen to some of their other records. They've been around for quite a while, but I had never heard of them before. So thumbs up to that show. Best time I've had in a while going to see a band, and I highly recommend going to see them. So here it is in 4K with the iPhone microphone, One-Eyed Doll.
My name is Kimberly. This here is Junior. And we're One-Eyed Doll from Austin, Texas, New York. Now, this first song I'd like to dedicate to all you crazy people out there. Do you have crazy people here in New York City? Good. This goes out to you, my new friends. It's called Committed.
what we learned is that the iPhone records in mono at 44.1 and 16-bit. It'd be nice if they put stereo miking into the iPhone and raised the bit depth to 24-bit and made it 48K for typical video recording sample rate. And it's clipping. So when I take the mono signal and pan it all the way to one channel, the left channel, it's constantly clipping, which means the iPhone is not limiting the signal to keep it from clipping. It's a limited signal, but it might just be limited because it's slamming so hard, or they have a limiter on there. But if they do, it's not set to stop it from peaking, from going over into the digital distortion land, which is just goes to show everybody who uploads their concert footage is not doing, and I am not doing on this one, but I usually don't do this, not doing any justice to the band by uploading these videos with their phones, because it makes the band sound like crap when the band sounds so much better than that. And a proper mix and a multi-track record is going to make the band shine. Whereas these uploaded iPhone videos, the video looks pretty good, and all cameras, I mean all cell phones, you know, the video's okay, but the audio is crap. This isn't too bad, but it's not great, and it's clipping, and it's only 44.1. So come on, Apple. iPhone 8, let's have stereo speakers, 24-bit recording, and 48K sample rate. That would be a big improvement over what is currently in the iPhone 7. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a new video soon. And please check these guys out. They're on tour right now. One Eyed Doll. Great band, so go check them out. They are awesome. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next Max Sound Solutions video. Cheers.